Bugs Bunny puts Tesla in the bakery segment. Goodbye $1 million deal. Miss segmentation wrecks campaigns. Wrong industries, missing personas, leads slipping away. AI fixes the map. Clearbit, segment AI, 6 Sense auto-categorize leads by behavior and firmographics. Tesla stays in auto. Bakeries stay with bread. Accurate segments mean better targeting, higher conversion. Imagine Adidas pitching trainers to Mercedes-Benz. Awkward. That's bad segmentation in real life. AI sorts leads so your reps stop chasing ghosts. Question: how many deals has bad tagging already cost you? Want bulletproof segments? Build them into your CRM with Moksy.ai. Subscribe now, because Bugs Bunny mistakes should never cost revenue.